There's a moment every entrepreneur hits where you outgrow the content creator phase. You're thinking about hiring a team, but your ambition has become bigger than your capacity. You want to scale. You want to show up consistently. You want your brand to look premium, but you're tired of doing everything yourself. That's the moment AI stops being a trend and becomes a necessity, because AI doesn't want to replace you. It replaces the version of you that's overwhelmed, burnt out, and stretched thin. The entrepreneurs winning in 2026 aren't the ones working harder. They're the ones stepping out of survival mode and into CEO mode. They're duplicating their presence, their momentum, and their influence using AI. This isn't about AI replacing you. It's about using AI for what it was actually created for, giving us that superhuman leverage so you can take your time back and finally run your business like the CEO, not the entire staff. In episode 3, I'm breaking down how creators like me use AI clones to build content systems that let us show up online without having to film ourselves. If you're hearing this now, you're already ahead of 80% of the creators who don't even know this skill exists yet. So welcome to your next level.